Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alice Rita, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare this delicious looking plantain egg muffin. We're going to grate our carrots and every other vegetables. We are going to slice them into smaller chunks, like really small as you can cut them. It's allowed them to blend very well with the egg muffin. And now we're going to cut the ripe plantain into smaller chunks. If you have a very good blender, you don't have to cut it into smaller chunks, but I'm going to be using my bullet blender. So I'll dice it and then break 2 eggs because I don't want to use water. If you use water, your egg muffin will be watery. So I'm going to be blending my plantain with 2 eggs. I will add a piece of red onion and blend it together. Now that we've cut all our vegetables, we'll transfer it to our mixing bowl and break the remaining 5 eggs to the vegetable mix. And then we'll use our mixer to mix it together with few pinch of salt. I did not measure the salt because I just added a few pinch just to make sure that it had the salty taste. And then we'll squeeze in few drops of lemon juice, like 5 drops. I would love this to be cheesy, so I added a half cup of cheese. That's a grated cheddar cheese. And also just mix it together. Now let's line our pan with butter or oil. Here I'm using olive oil. It's best to use a liner for the pan. That way your muffin will not stick. So if you have a muffin liner or muffin paper, use that. And now we'll bake this for 15 minutes at 200 degrees. And here's our delicious looking muffin. It's really tasty and it's really good for breakfast. That way you are set for the week with this simple recipe. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye.